Hello and welcome to Nikolai's Genetics Lessons, and today I'm going to show you how to solve logical problems which usually you can find at the job interviews or sometimes you can find at the entry exams where you have to show your level of intellect or IQ. Many people struggle with solution of this type of problems, so you also can try to solve this problem, stop the video, try to solve, and then you can run a video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. And here's the problem. Rita told Money, the girl I met yesterday at the beach was the youngest daughter of the brother-in-law of my friend's mother. How is a girl related to Rita's friend? The first your mistake would be to think that friend is Money. So Rita's friend is Money, but actually both of them are outsiders and not a part of a picture of this pedigree. Then who is a friend? But friend is mentioned here, friend's mother. So she is talking about a girl and she has a mother. Her friend has mother. More than that, she also said brother-in-law of my friend's mother. So let's start making pedigree. So her friend of the unspecified gender, it can be a girl or a boy, has a mother. So has a mother and of course a father. Father is not mentioned, but we should write it down so it would be easier for us to follow this pedigree. So take a look. Friend's mother, brother-in-law. Let's also change a color to show her friends in different colors. So here's a friend. And her friend's mother has a brother-in-law. That means her mother should have a sibling. So a sister who is married. And now this person I also will show in different color in relation to friend's mother is going to be brother-in-law. So brother-in-law. For the full picture, let's also add parents here. So now it would be easier for you to understand that this is two sisters, and for the sister, the husband of her sister is going to be a brother-in-law. Now let's read again. The girl I met yesterday at the beach, and from this point, let me underline, was the youngest daughter of the brother-in-law. So we already found brother-in-law, and that girl is the youngest daughter. That means that at least there are two girls in a family, and if we count from left to right, this is going to be the youngest girl. So let's read again the girl, but before let me change a color again. This is important person here. The girl I met yesterday at the beach was the youngest daughter of the brother-in-law of my friend's mother. And here's a friend. So what is the relationship between friend and this girl that Rita met yesterday at the beach? As you see, they are clearly cousins. So answer A. I hope you also got this answer. As you see, it is very easy to solve this type of problems if you know how to build pedigrees. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.